make blind bag. So, like, I'm gonna get a headset. First, flip one sheet of paper, small or big, good. Like, I'm gonna cut it and draw whatever design you want on the front page. It's gonna be like this or like that. Yeah, you draw it whatever you want. So, you can know what things it is and put on top. Then box as you put the name that you need. Okay, I'm just gonna draw mine. Guys, I don't mind. Mine is little food. I put a small donut and a small pizza. And the other one is I have an idea for that. So I it's in my mind forever. So like if you didn't do it, like that, make sure you have glue or tape. I'm using tape since it's more good for this. Yeah, and it's like not my types. I'm gonna put some names on here on the back so I will know what it is. And you gotta guess what it is for that. Like yeah. So just gonna do it. Bye bye. Okay guys, this is mine. The first one is waffle. It's legendary, yes, and the next is a cake. It's rare. And next is bread, I think, and common. I'm gonna leave it, so I'm gonna cut the whole part since my things are up now. So yeah. Okay guys, now I made my blind bag. So I tasted it. So like yeah, let's look. Yeah. Now, when you don't take that apart, since you're gonna put the tin inside what you made, since mine is little food. Like that, so I'm gonna cut it again and put some stuffing inside of the thing. I made some stuff and put it inside and I closed this. No, it's closed neatly. Yeah. That. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye. See you next tomorrow actually. Bye bye.